Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup. And we do apologize. We'll now take your
Reggae Boyz head coach Steve McLaren says he is fully aware of the threat Honduras will pose when the teams battle this evening in Tegucigalpa in their Group B match in League A of the CONCACAF Nations League. Honduras are coming off a 4-0 win over Trinidad and Tobago at home in their opening match last Friday, while the Reggae Boyz were held to a 0-0 draw by Cuba at the National Stadium in their opening match. The Hondurans are also unbeaten in their last 5 matches.
Very difficult games. As I said, I think from the year that Jamaica played them, they progressed very well. And they are a better team now than they were a year ago. Results show that. But we take one day at a time. And we take tomorrow night as the next one, the most important one. And the one in which for every game, we plan to win. We prepare to win. We don't prepare to lose or to draw. We prepare how can we beat Honduras. So that's what we have to do, and hopefully the performance will get the result.
The match kicks off at 9 p.m. Jamaica time in the Honduran capital city. Chairman of Arnold Gardens Football Club, Mark Golding, says that the new partnership between the club and Dream Entertainment over the next 3 years is a massive step towards making the Trenchtown-based club one of the biggest football brands in Jamaica. According to Golding, it's a great deal for the community and its environs.
I have been very focused over the past 6 or so years on the issue of how we can make football in Jamaica, club football, professional club football, sustainable. What has been happening over time has been that the standards that are required to be achieved by clubs have been evolving, and the bar has been raised on a consistent basis as a result of the requirements coming from FIFA and CONCACAF through to the JFF.
San Diego High School is now on the hunt for a new girls track and field head coach after Keylando Goburn stepped down to take up the post of assistant coach at the University of Maryland Eastern Shore in the USA. Goburn, who spent 19 years with the girls team at the Monk Street-based institution, will take charge of the sprints, hurdles, and relays program in Maryland. San Diego ended third on the girls' side at the 2024 ISA Boys and Girls Championships with 171 points. Ingrid Graham, who created history in becoming the first woman to be elected president of the Jamaica Table Tennis Association, says that she'll be looking to extract all the benefits Jamaica can get from her recent appointment to the women's leadership position for the Pan American region.
I think it's a great step for us here in Jamaica. It will open more avenues for our youngsters for the development and more input here, because now we can see what is going on in the wider world and where we go from there. And as well as I take it as an opportunity not only to garner the help here in Jamaica, but I plan to seek out in the other countries to put a representative there, because I can't work alone here from Jamaica to do it.
And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup. I am Jermaine Brown.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's it for your Midday Sports Roundup and concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Carrie Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.